So I'm going to give my reviews and kind of compare two different nail gel systems that I decided to try out recently. I get my nails done all the time, and I figured if I could save a little bit of an expense and figure out a way to do it at home, that would be awesome. So I tried out these two different products. This is the Morovan Professional Nail System. This is polygel, so if you wanted to have like the gel extensions on your nails, that is what this kit does. And this one is actual gel polish. So I'll talk about the differences between them, kind of the strengths, and then which one overall is kind of the winner in my mind. So this one here, like I said before, you get a bunch of these poly gels where you can actually put gel extensions on your nails and like build a gel builder on your nails. So some things I loved about this, it came with a lot of different colors. It comes with the UV light to cure the nails. Also, it comes with two different methods of applying and lots of different tools to shape your nails as well as design them with sequins and things like that. Something I didn't love about this one is the polygel didn't really stick that well and it didn't cure that well. So you couldn't, in my experience, the way I did it anyways, use what they provided and get the nails to adhere and last for, a couple days or weeks like you would at a salon. So overall, I thought this was really fun to try out. I did it with my 9-year-old. It was a fun little activity, but we didn't get to the point where our nails looked good enough or could stay on for a long period of time. So I probably wouldn't purchase it again for that reason. I think the main reason was this UV light is a little bit flimsy and small, so I don't know that it actually ended up curing the nails. However, it came with so much that there are things that we'll continue to use, and I may try it again too and see if I can get a better result. So I still think it was worth it, and it was really fun to try. This kit here was a little bit different. It actually came with a larger, more powerful UV light, which I thought was interesting because this is a little bit simpler of a product. So we actually ended up using this light to try and do these nails, which did work a little bit better, but still I don't think was quite powerful enough to do what we needed it to do. But the difference here is these are all gel polishes. So it's not the poly gel, you're looking at regular gel polish bottles here. So this one is much easier to use. You literally just, clean your nails, prep your nails, and then you put the polish on, you put the top coat on, and you cure it. So we found this much easier to use, and the polish actually looked really good, and it lasted for a while. As long as you cure it and you're careful with it, you do the prep it requires. My daughter and I both had a really good experience with this, so we'll continue to use this. So between the two products, I would definitely go with this one again. This one, like I said, it would be more of just like a fun experiment because we didn't have the best results with it. But this one, we did have great results and we would continue to use it. So I think depending on what you want a fun activity and maybe see if you could create success with this, you could absolutely try it out because it's a great value either way. But if you really want to just have nice looking nails and know you're going to get a good result with them, I'd probably go with the polish.